Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'll show you how to make all photos the same length in CapCut. So if you're dragging photos into the timeline and they're all different lengths, I'll help you fix that. So let's drag this photo into the timeline. And you can see it's currently 5 seconds. If we drag another one, this will also be 5 seconds, as the total time is 10 seconds. Now if you want yours to be exactly the same like this, head up to the CapCut here and head into the settings. Then within settings, select edit. Then the third on the list here, image duration. You can see it's currently set to 5 seconds. You can adjust this by seconds or frame rate, as you can see. So if we make it 10 seconds and we drag that picture onto the timeline again, as you can see, that picture is now 10 seconds long. So that's how to make all photos the same length in CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.